Ready to automate your life without spending a dime? Let's dive into hosting N8n for free. First up, let's explore cloud platforms. Many offer free tiers perfect for smaller N8n workflows. AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure all have options. Just be mindful of their usage limits to stay within the free tier. Next, your own computer. For development and testing, running N8n locally using Docker is a fantastic and totally free choice. Is ideal for learning and experimenting before deploying to a live environment. Don't forget the power of community. Check out community-supported hosting solutions and forums. You might find someone offering free or very low-cost options in exchange for contributing to the N8n ecosystem. Remember to carefully evaluate the security and reliability of any free hosting option. While these methods save you money, ensuring your data and workflows are secure is crucial. Now you're equipped to unleash the power of N8n without breaking the bank. Get automating and start saving time and money, all thanks to the magic of free N8n hosting.